A morning glory at my window satisfies me more than the metaphysics of books. The world is not to be put in order. The word is order. It is for us to put ourselves in unison with this order. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet, and the winds long to play with your hair. Look deep into the nature, and then you will understand everything better. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. The earth is what we all have in common. Although we say mountains belong to the country, actually they belong to those that love them. The least movement is of importance to all nature. The entire ocean is affected by a pebble. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Choose only one master, nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Leave the road, take the trails. Colors are the smiles of nature. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you.